Hello, fellow teachers. For my web debrief, I would like to take the time to introduce the Web 2.0 gadget that I often use in my classroom, which is Kahoot. Kahoot is an online gathering place for students to creatively learn new things and also to check for understanding after a lesson is given by a teacher. Basically, teachers, even students are able to go to Kahoot and create their own type of quiz. So there's quizzes with multiple choice, a jumble, which is basically dragging answers and putting them in the correct order. Discussion, so you can spark debates with a simple question and students are able to type in their own answers and share them across the classroom so everyone can visibly see what everyone's answering. There's a survey portion where you are able to let students survey their classrooms. They're able to survey across their campus. They're also able to survey different classrooms across the country, the US and whatnot. So there's quite a few things you can do within Kahoot. Kahoot is not only for learning. You can also go to the Discover portion and you can look up any type of quizzes because Kahoot is not only for English, science, math, and what's being taught in classrooms, but they can also be used for icebreakers, for fun, for a reward, and you can simply type in anything from Disney characters, oh, Disney characters, and you can find tons of different types of quizzes on different Disney themes. There's movies and characters, there's anything about Disney movies, and you can also do filtering, which will allow you to find more specific things like who may have created it, what it was created for, what type of quiz, a grade level, anything from 1st to 12th grade, and different subjects. You can also go to trivia to look up different genres, which you could go to music, apply, and it'll filter out different types of Disney songs, logos and characters, or different TV shows and movies. With Kahoot, you are able to follow through and look at your own Kahoots that you may have taken. So if I was a student named Brooklyn Page, I could go and look through the different types of tests and quizzes that were given to me, which were my favorites, who may have shared them with me. I could search for different ones. I could replay them, or I could even challenge other people. So I could find other classmates or even other people anywhere in the world and have them take this same challenge as I did and kind of see our different scores. There's also a portion called reports. Obviously, there isn't a report here because I haven't created any tests, but it would basically tell me how I've been doing. So if you're testing a student in math and you've given 4 different Kahoots, you're able to see their progress through the 4 different tests and make sure there's understanding and learning going on in the classroom. Since Kahoot is tailor-made test, you're able to concentrate on any content in area that the students may be struggling on. So if it was math, you're able to look up math and find your grade level. I teach 12th grade mainly, so it would be able to give me topics on 12th grade math, and I'd be able to give tailor-made or already made tests for a specific grade level. I could really go on about Kahoot all day, but those are some of the things that I really like about Kahoot, and I really hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you for watching.